14 civil society organizations, CSOs of Kanglei Park, have announced a statewide ban from midnight of August 9 if the Manipur government fails to organize a seminar or workshop on implementing National Register of Citizens (NRC) before census process begins. Convener Shanta Nahakpam said the organizations had sought the government's promised consultation by August 8. If no action is taken, the details of the agitation will be announced on the evening of August 8. The CSOs have been demanding that the NRC exercise be conducted before census house listing process, which is scheduled to begin on August 17. They said this would help ensure that only genuine Indian citizens are included in the population count. Shanta said the groups had earlier met the state government, the governor, officials of the Registrar General of India and the Union Home Ministry to press their demand. He said the government had assured them that a workshop would be held in the first week of August, with legal experts, intellectuals and representatives of different communities. However, he alleged that no official notification had been issued as of August 2. The organization said they would reconsider their next step if the seminar is held before August 8. Otherwise, they would proceed with the BANDH and intensify their agitation.
Intellectuals law gi oiba mari leinaba sing bar council sing amadi Manipur da leiba demographer amadi mari leinaba map ka mari leinaba sing aduga hana lairik iba aiba sing siga mari leinaba da laiba sing se kauraga precondition se khanaraga precondition set to ngam daba targadi laiba tang mapan gi nundang ahingi nongai pung baro dagi akoi 14 CSO na tang mapan August ki ahing dagi total shutdown ma akoi thokjare aibase hosi akoi sigi mifam jida akoi open noina mayam da thamjari akoina lathoktori shutdown se karigumba Manipur government na tang nipan bawgi manungda committee se form tawbidana akoi mari leinaba editorial iriba mayam sigi matangna khangai mayam se kauraga CSO sing punna kaurakanda phaminaraga toan toan community gi se kuki gi buhairo naga gi buhairo lakpaya dabana video conference lakpaya bana udaraga phamaga amadi lakningdaba singna mai magi legal oiba provision do hayeng sakarna NRC update tawna bona kuda legal obligation sing laktana ba adumba step ama sakarna loning daba se sigi matang dagi kobjorani na sumaina thumjage